Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy Ring. Samsung certainly has a smart ring in the works. Patents for the device were reported in 2022, and the Korean Intellectual Property Right Information Service (KIPRIS) granted a trademark for the Samsung Galaxy Ring. We've been ignoring Apple Watch ring rumors for years now, but the fact is that smart rings are gaining traction. The screen-free experience appeals to many users who just want to track their basics without distractions. Samsung's first attempt is nearly impossible, branching into new territory. Samsung won't want to swing and miss. To compete with existing smart rings, the company will need to have the device well buttoned up before launch. If Samsung decides to seek medical approval, the timeline could be stretched out even further. Even if Samsung Electronics starts product development in September and finishes development by April next year, it will take an additional 10 to 12 months to obtain medical device approval. Meanwhile, new details from serial tipster Ice Universe suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Ring could debut alongside the Samsung Galaxy S24 series and star in Samsung's Unpacked event this January 2024. Based on the patent filings first reported by Korean outlet Naver, the ring may offer a fair amount of health tracking. The filing suggests the integration of both ECG and PPG sensors. This would likely mean the ability to take heart rate measurements and monitor temperature. These features align the ring with the current capabilities of the Aura Ring 3, a leader in the smart ring market. An even earlier patent points to potential smart home integration. Samsung may offer Galaxy Ring users the ability to control connected devices such as a smart TV. The latest Aura Ring 3 starts at $299 and requires a monthly subscription to access its full feature set. Samsung has yet to adopt a subscription service for its Galaxy Watch line, and we're hoping it doesn't join the trend with the Galaxy Ring. If your preference is to stay within Samsung's ecosystem, it may be worth sticking with the company's smartwatch line for now. The Galaxy Watch 6, $299.99 at Samsung, offers a well-rounded smartwatch experience with all the basics in terms of tracking health and fitness. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.